Hello there everybody, my name is BDF018 and welcome back to brand new LEGO Speed Champions Alt. Today we're converting 76907's Lotus Jet into the T127. T127 of course is Lotus Codsworth's 2010 F1 Challenger, and it wasn't that successful, bringing in 0 points across the whole season. Driven by Heikki Kovalainen and Jarno Trulli, remember those names? This is a bit of a throwback into the past. Today's build comes in only 134 pieces across 32 steps. To divide that, you get roughly 4.1 pieces on average per section for this build, and looks rather small and rather cute. Let's strip the jet apart, put the pieces in their recording tubs, and get to today's conversion, the Lotus T127. Enjoy. There's a full and complete conversion from 76907's Lotus Jet into the Lotus T127 F1 car, and I really quite like this. It's a very small car and a very cool looking car. I don't want to say this is too much like the T127, it just looks like a regular Lotus Cosworth from the 2010s. I appreciate the look that they've gone for, and it looks really cool. Like I said, it is quite small, literally the size, not even the size of my hand. Smaller than the regular Evija, smaller than all the other builds we've done so far. I altered some of the sticker placements because I wanted this one to look pretty cool with the stickers. I moved the sticker from the rear wing onto the side. Yeah, it's a cool little machine. It took about 25 minutes to build. Most of that was just looking for the pieces in my tubs. I took off the rim to give it the racing look. It's a good end result, and I do like this. I thoroughly appreciate the creator making this set for us to build. I love what you can do with these sets. This is a good example of what you can do with such a small amount of pieces. Only 130 odd pieces on this car, and look at it. It looks like a proper little F1 open wheel racer. Very nice. We have a few more of these sets to come, so stay tuned, keep your post notifications on so you can see when the next video goes live for 76907. As always, leave your thoughts in the comment section down below. Leave a like, subscribe if you're new. Would you build this set? Is it for you? Do you like F1? Do you hate F1? Do you remember Heikki Kovalainen and Jarno Trulli? They were the racers of this very car we built today. Lewis Hamilton's ex-teammate and Takuma Sato's teammate at Toyota. With that said, I've been BDFO18. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next build. Take care.